issue that needs to be taken into consideration is that bringing back just the manufacturing will not give us energy security that we're seeking. What is required is bringing back the polysilicon production, which is a significantly larger challenge and more demanding challenge than just bringing back the module manufacturing. And that would mean even higher investments and even higher costs for the systems. My name is Bartosz Majewski. I've been active in energy space for the last 15 years. Throughout most of my career, I've been serving conventional energy players throughout Europe, Middle East, Africa, and South Asia. At this stage, I'm mostly involved in renewable energy, starting with Edison Energia, which we built into one of the biggest residential and commercial and industrial installers across Europe. And now we're scaling and building Menlo Electric, which is the fastest growing PV distributor in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. 2022 was characterized by huge shortages in inverters. Definitely that was the case for the big inverters required for commercial and industrial installations and also for utility scale. The same was for hybrid inverters and battery sets that are mostly installed at residential premises in Western Europe. In 2023 we expect availability of modules to remain very good. However, it will not be for all the module types. We expect the N-type modules to be in shortage. This is mostly because the demand for these modules is very high and the capacity is only slowly being ramped up by the manufacturers. As for inverters, we expect the availability to improve. It's definitely not going to be as harsh as it was in 2022. However, hybrid systems and batteries will be still difficult to secure in large quantities, especially from the established manufacturers, mostly because the demand across Europe is going to be skyrocketing throughout the year. As for commercial and industrial installations and utility scale installations, the market is a little bit less transparent, so it's a little bit more difficult to forecast what it's going to be. So we do advise our clients to secure supplies as early as possible so as not to be left without inverters when the time comes for the installation. So 2022 was definitely a breakthrough for us. Last year we finished the year with revenues of more than 50 million euro. This year we're going to triple that and close the year with more than 100 million euro in turnover. This is due to a huge effort we've made to actually expand internationally. So we're very happy to finish 2022 with sales to more than 25 markets, stretching from Spain to Estonia and from UK to Lebanon. Apart from this, we're working on our portfolio. To our usual suppliers, Jinko and Ryzen, we have added J-Solar this year, and we plan to add at least one module brand next year. As for inverters, to our regular partners of SolarEdge, Sangro and Fox ESS, we're also going to add one or two brands as of the beginning of next year.